we will create new project and add our custom plugin in it. Now I copying the plugin folder and put it in created plugins folder inside my project. Don't forget to set HTTP configuration that you can find in documentation. Generate new API ticket. Download and export a MetaHuman in your project, then restart project if it needed. We will use it for generated lip sync animation later. Now try to create speech from text. Here we go, check this out. Finally, we can generate the lip sync animation from the sound. Here we go, check this out.
You're breathtaking.